Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Do you know how to plan a vacation in English?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about planning a vacation.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Now, let's begin.
Hi, do you have any vacation plans?
Not yet, but I'm thinking about taking a trip next month.
That sounds exciting. Where would you like to go?
I'm not sure yet. I'm choosing between the beach and the mountains.
Both sound wonderful.
Which one would you choose?
I'd choose the beach because I enjoy swimming and relaxing.
I like the beach too, but I also love hiking in the mountains.
That's a difficult choice.
Yes, it is.
How many days will your vacation be?
About 5 days.
That's enough time to relax.
I hope so.
How will you travel?
I think I'll go by plane.
That's fast.
Yes, and it saves time.
Have you booked your ticket?
Not yet.
You should book early.
You're right.
What about your hotel?
I'm looking at a few hotels online.
Have you found a good one?
Yes, but I'm still comparing prices.
That's a smart idea.
I want a clean and comfortable hotel.
I'm sure you'll find one. Have you started packing?
Not yet.
What will you pack?
I'll bring clothes, comfortable shoes, sunglasses, and a camera.
Don't forget your passport.
Of course.
You should also bring a power bank.
Good idea.
Will you bring a backpack?
Yes, for day trips.
That's perfect.
I'm getting excited already.
I hope you have an amazing vacation.
Thank you so much.
How is your vacation going?
It's wonderful.
That's great to hear.
The weather is beautiful.
What have you done so far?
I visited the beach this morning.
Did you go swimming?
Yes, the water was warm and clear.
That sounds relaxing.
After that, I had lunch at a local restaurant.
What did you eat?
I tried some fresh seafood.
Was it delicious?
Yes, it was amazing.
Did you take any photos?
Yes, I took lots of pictures.
I can't wait to see them.
I'll show them to you when I get back.
Did you buy any souvenirs?
Yes, I bought a few gifts for my family.
That's thoughtful.
I also bought a postcard and a keychain for myself.
Nice.
I wanted something to remember the trip.
What's your favorite memory so far?
Watching the sunset on the beach.
That must have been beautiful.
It really was.
Would you like to visit this place again?
Definitely.
Would you recommend it to your friends?
Of course.
I'm glad you had such a wonderful vacation.
Thank you. It was an unforgettable experience.
What did you learn today?
I learned many useful English expressions.
Can you remember some?
Plan a vacation.
Excellent.
Book a hotel.
Very good.
Pack a suitcase.
Perfect.
Buy souvenirs.
Great.
Take photos.
Wonderful.
Visit the beach.
Excellent.
Have a great trip.
Fantastic.
I feel more confident talking about vacations in English now.
That's wonderful to hear.
Thank you for practicing with me.
You're always welcome.
Let's practice another conversation next time.
I'd love that.
See you soon.
See you. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for planning a vacation and talking about travel experiences.
You also learned how to choose a destination, book a hotel, pack for a trip, buy souvenirs, and share your vacation memories.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.